Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Channel, where learning English is fun and easy. I'm Ricky. Today, we are going to have a simple and friendly conversation. We will talk about Bella's day and learn some new everyday English phrases.
Hello, Ricky. Hello to all our listeners. I'm very happy to be here today.
It's always nice to see you, Bella. So, tell me, how was your day?
My day was very nice. I woke up early, around 7 o'clock. I had a cup of coffee, and then I went for a short walk in the park.
That sounds great. Morning walks are good for health. How was the weather?
It was sunny and cool. The sky was blue, and there were a few white clouds. I really enjoyed the fresh air.
That's lovely. What did you do after your walk?
After my walk, I came home and started work. I had 2 online meetings and answered some emails.
Wow, that sounds busy. Did you have time for lunch?
Yes, I did. I cooked pasta with vegetables. It was simple but delicious.
That sounds good. I love pasta. Do you cook every day?
Most days, yes. I like cooking. It helps me relax after work.
That's great. So, what did you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I read a book and listened to some soft music. Then I went to the supermarket to buy fruit and bread.
Nice. You had a full day. What about your evening plans?
In the evening, I plan to watch a movie and then go to bed early.
That sounds perfect. Thank you for sharing your day, Bella.
You're welcome, Ricky. How about you? How was your day?
My day was good too. I recorded some lessons for our English learners and did some reading.
That's wonderful. You always do something productive.
I try my best. And I think our listeners can also practice English by talking about their day, just like we did today.
Yes, you can say simple sentences like, I woke up early. I went for a walk. I cooked lunch. I read a book. Practice speaking every day. That's the key to learning English.
Exactly. And remember, don't worry about mistakes. Just speak. Practice makes perfect.
Well said, Ricky.
All right, everyone. That's all for today's episode.
Thank you for listening to Everyday English Channel.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can keep learning with us.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
That was a wonderful talk about your day, Bella. Now let's learn something new.
Yes, in this mini lesson, we will talk about feelings. We all have feelings every day. Happy, tired, excited, or maybe a little sad.
That's right. Talking about feelings helps us share how we feel with others, and it's great English practice. So, Bella, how do you feel today?
I feel happy and relaxed. It's a sunny day, and I'm talking with you. That makes me feel good.
That's nice to hear. I feel happy too, but also a little tired. I woke up very early today. Learning tip. Use I feel or I am to talk about your emotions. Examples. I feel happy. I am tired. I feel excited about my trip.
Let's practice a few more feeling words. Here are some positive feelings: happy, relaxed, excited, proud, calm.
And some negative feelings: tired, sad, angry, bored, worried.
Good. Now let's use them in simple sentences.
Okay, I'll go first. I am excited to learn English.
Nice. My turn. I feel tired after work.
Perfect. Another one. I feel proud when I help my friends.
Beautiful sentence, Ricky. Here's one from me. I feel calm when I listen to music.
Learning tip. Remember, use I am with adjectives like happy, sad, angry. Use I feel with emotions or situations. Both are correct and very common in everyday English.
Bella, what do you do when you feel sad?
When I feel sad, I talk to a friend or listen to my favorite songs. That helps me feel better.
That's a great idea. When I feel stressed, I take a short walk outside. Fresh air helps me relax.
Yes, small things can make a big difference. Vocabulary practice. Let's repeat together, listeners. I feel happy. I feel tired. I feel calm. I feel worried. I feel excited. Pause for listeners to repeat.
Well done, everyone. You just practiced 5 new feelings in English.
Yes, you can use them to describe your day, just like we did before. For example, today I feel happy because I met my friend.
Or, I feel tired because I worked a lot today.
Exactly. Keep using these sentences every day.
Before we finish, let's review what we learned today. We talked about daily activities like waking up, working, cooking, and reading.
And feelings like happy, tired, calm, and excited.
And we learned how to use I feel and I am to talk about emotions.
Very good, Bella.
Thank you, Ricky. And thank you, listeners, for joining us today.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Everyday English channel. Practice speaking every day, even for 5 minutes.
Yes, remember, English is easy when you use it every day.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and keep speaking English.